And welcome to my channel. And in this video we are given an expression x power 4 plus x cubed. We have to simplify the expression. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's get started with the solution. So we have x power 4 and x cubed. If we expand x power 4, we have x times x times x times x, and then our x cube is x times x times x. That's when we want to find our GCF, or the greatest common factor. In x power 4 we have 4 x's, and in x cube we have 3 x's. So our GCF is x cubed. So we take x cubed common. X power 4 divided by x cubed is x. And then our x cubed divided by x cubed is simply 1. So our answer turns out to be x cubed times open close parenthesis x plus 1. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Goodbye.